Karen Chemla combines the expertise as a mathematician, as a historian of mathematics and as a sinologist. She was studying the 9 chapters of mathematical procedures, which is on ancient Chinese mathematics. So the book was composed by several mathematicians from the 10th to the 2nd century BCE. What is important on this book is that it was commented by many mathematicians the first centuries. And the creative and new part that Karine Chemla was doing on this work is the fact that she was studying the book itself but combined with the commentaries. And the commentaries are most important because they are also dealing with the question how to teach mathematics. So then, when I'm talking about Chinese mathematics and Western mathematics or European mathematics, then people start to ask me, what's the difference between Chinese mathematics and European mathematics? And I can imagine that you will have the same question. So I asked a colleague of mine, Zhang Zhu.
This is indeed a very interesting question. Indeed, in the ancient Chinese mathematics teaching, as illustrated in the 9 chapters, there is a focus on teaching from cases, examples, and real problems. For example, calculating the surface of a piece of land or the volume of a cubic container. So students are expected to use formula to solve problems. While in the European mathematics education, there is a focus on proof-making.
Karen Chemla is an outstanding researcher, bridging the gap between what we call 2 cultures, the humanities and the natural science. In 2011, she was granted the European Advanced Grant, and in 2014, she was awarded the Sarton Chair on the History of Science from the University of Ghent. We have a long-standing tradition of collaboration with Karine Chemla. For example, last year, on the occasion of the retirement of Jean-Paul van Bendehem, who's the founder and also the former director of our Center for Logic and Philosophy of Science, Karine Chemla was one of the keynote speakers. Time is too short to list all the research interests of Karine Chemla, but one I would like to mention is the work on 19th century French mathematics, and thus the work of Poincaré, so there is clear evidence that there is a connection with VUB. So, Karine Chemla, we are very proud that you accepted the title of Doctor Honoris Causa from our university, from Vrije Universiteit Brussels.